What's up YouTube, it's Hip-Hop channel YTV and I'm back with another episode. Today we have topic about legendary rapper Curtis Jackson. Today rapper Fitson attended the red carpet premiere of Sire's BMF Season 2 at TCL Chinese Theater in Hollywood, California. Fitson pulled up on a red carpet premiere of BMF with his son Sire, his girlfriend Cuban Link and cast of BMF. Man, Fitson is real boss. You know guys that his TV series and especially BMF is one of the dopest, interesting and successful show. Also, you know, new season is coming and in one word, Fitson never stop grinding. He's doing everything to be more successful and here is the result. This is already big success. What a cast, what a TV series, man. Shout out to Fitson. He's true legend, living legend, I must say. So guys, now let me show you videos at the red carpet premiere of BMF Season 2. Come on.
I'm just excited for people to get a chance to see it. I've seen it. It's better than the first season. Randy's mantra.
Man, shout out to Fitson. I can't wait to see BMF Season 2. I'm not only a fan of his music, I'm also a fan of his TV series and shows. Fitson, you're a legend. And I got big respect for you. And before I move to the next topic, let me ask you a question of the day. Tell me which your favorite show of Fitson. Write your opinions in the comments below and now let's move to the next topic, and our next topic is about Ice-T. You know guys that social media is full of bots and trolls and full of fake accounts. People using fake accounts most of the time when they want to hide their personality, and most of the time they trash talking with fake accounts. And it seems that Ice-T didn't like fake accounts at all, and even says that people who doing this, they truly need to reevaluate their life. So today legendary Ice-T went to his Twitter page and shared a post which reads: if you go through all the trouble to make a fake page on social media just to talk trash to people, you truly need to reevaluate your life. In another post, Ice-T says, new people say, wow, you say a lot of very cool things. Well, my name is MF and Ice. Ice-T isn't the only one who called out internet trolls. Legendary rapper Styles P from LOX made similar statement on his Instagram live and said that their behavior was out of pocket. So guys, before I move to the next topic, let me know your thoughts about trolls on social media, and now let's move to the next topic, and our next topic is about rapper Drake. You know guys that Drake is big fan of basketball and he even plays basketball very dope. Rapper showing off his basketball skills, so let's check this out the video, come on. Guys, where does Drake rank on your rapper athlete list? Write your opinions in the comments below. Stay tuned, subscribe, YTV, get the notification bells, and don't forget to visit the website hiphopty.com. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.